Even if you're very concerned about your skin and follow the perfect CTM routine, that means cleansing, toning, and moisturizing, and even your SPF, you will sometimes still skip the usage of serum. But let's be honest, we find it a little too expensive, and you might not know how to incorporate it properly in your skincare routine. So serums have been in the market for a really long time. But if you don't understand what a serum actually is and why it is important, then let's know some facts about serums. What is face serum? Serums are basically a concentration of active ingredients which are designed to penetrate deeper into your skin. It also helps to target specific skin problems and concerns. This makes it more effective than other skincare products, primarily because it is made and composed of smaller molecules. Many people think that serums are the same as moisturizers and facial oils, but serums are not the same, even if they have moisturizing benefits. While moisturizers and oils work like a barrier on top of the skin, serums go inside the skin. Now that you've understood what serums are, let's know why you should use it. Firms and tightens your skin. Serums are made up of firming agents that when coming in contact with your skin, it masks and smooths out your skin. Adds radiance. As we age, our skin loses glow and radiance. That's where serum comes to help. Serums are clinically proven to detoxify and add glow to your lifeless skin. Reduces dark spot and signs of aging. Our regular lifestyle leads our skin to have dark spots, sunspots, and signs of aging, but serums nourish your skin, giving it a healthy and youthful glow. Now, after all this information about serums, let's hop into the recommendation of some affordable serums that are just under $30. The products will be given below in the video. Make sure you check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Eva Naturals Collagen Stimulating Peptide Complex Serum is a super affordable plant-based serum that has peptide collagen in it. Peptides are powerful anti-aging proteins that trigger your skin when it is necessary to prepare collagen. Moreover, the aloe and hyaluronic acid in this serum smooths away your wrinkles and improves elasticity. The additional witch hazel and jojoba allow this rich serum to fade your discoloration and brighten your skin. This affordable serum is cruelty-free, FDA approved, and doesn't contain any paraben or alcohol which would dry your skin. If you're looking for extra moisture and plumping effect, then the InstaSkincare 100% pure hyaluronic acid serum is perfect for you. In this serum, you will get the highest concentration of hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful anti-aging agent, which makes your skin softer, smoother, and extremely moisturized. This serum will moisturize your skin just like a baby's skin, and it can be used on any skin type. Moreover, it moisturizes without leaving any oiliness. Additionally, after a few minutes of usage of this serum, you will see plumper skin, and after 1 month of usage, you will notice a reduced appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. The third serum on our list deals with post-adult acne marks and minimizes pores. This serum is formulated with encapsulated retinol, which helps to resurface your skin. Additionally, the licorice extract brightens the appearance of your skin. The serum is formulated with 3 essential ceramides, which restore the barrier of the skin, and niacinamide in it soothes your skin. This lightweight and fast-absorbing serum is best for you if you have acne scars or want to minimize pores. If you're looking for a serum that simplifies skincare and is an all-in-one formula, then we have picked Eva Naturals Vitamin C plus Skin Clearing Serum for you. It has a majority of 20% vitamin C. Vitamin C gives anti-aging benefits like UV protection and repairs sun-damaged skin. Plus, the 5% hyaluronic acid provides hydration. Moreover, the 3.5% niacinamide reduces inflammation and redness, where the 2% salicylic acid provides gentle exfoliation to the skin, and the 2% retinol deep cleanses the pores to reduce breakout and minimize pores. This affordable bottle has the goodness of all these beneficial ingredients, making it the perfect serum to incorporate into your skincare routine. Want to deal with the dullness and pigmentation of your skin? Then go for the TruSkin Vitamin C Serum for face. This serum has a highly concentrated, potent vitamin C that deals with that deep-seated hyperpigmentation. To be specific, vitamin C is a famous antioxidant in the skincare game. It is known to skincare junkies for its capacity to fight with free radicals and giving a healthy and bright skin tone. The vitamin C, vitamin E, MSM, and hyaluronic acid in this serum whip up the collagen and enhance firmness. Moreover, jojoba oil and witch hazel also improve wrinkles and reduce blemishes. So if you want a healthy, bright, blemish-free complexion, then this serum is your pick without a doubt. Hope you liked our video, which is a starter pack for incorporating serums into your skincare game. In the meantime, the affordable recommendations will help you buy a serum just after watching the video. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.